Hello everyone! Today we're going to take a look at Earth's most intelligent animals. While humans are the most intelligent creatures on Earth, we aren't the only ones that show signs of deep understanding and intelligence. Let's jump right into the countdown and take a look at the top 5 intelligent animals. Coming in at the number 5 spot is an animal that will be happy to lend you a hand, or 8 of them, the octopus. Octopuses are known for their ability to solve complex puzzles, even those designed for human children. In one study, researchers placed a food reward inside of a jar with a screw-top lid. The octopus was able to figure out how to unscrew the lid and get the food out of the jar. Octopuses have been observed using coconut shells and other objects as shelters. They've also been known to carry around objects to use as tools. In one study, researchers observed octopuses using coconut shells as portable shelters, in which they would assemble and disassemble as needed. Octopuses are masters of disguise, and they have the ability to change color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. They're also capable of mimicking other animals and even human actions. In one instance, an octopus at an aquarium in New Zealand was observed mimicking a crab by walking on 2 of its arms while holding the other 6 arms close to its body. Octopuses have an excellent memory and are capable of remembering complex mazes and other tasks. In one study, researchers found that octopuses could remember the location of a food reward for at least a month. Octopuses are capable of learning from experience and adapting their behavior accordingly. In one study, researchers found that octopuses could learn to associate certain objects with food rewards, and they would predeterminately choose the objects in future tests. Sounds like the next time I need help solving some problems, I might just have to call my friend in the number 5 spot, the octopus. Coming in at the number 4 spot is an animal you probably weren't expecting, the raven. Ravens have been observed solving a variety of complex problems, including puzzles that require tools to be used in a specific way. For example, in one experiment, a raven was able to use a stick to obtain a piece of food that was out of reach. Ravens are known for their complex vocalizations, which they use to communicate with each other. They're capable of using a variety of calls and sounds to convey different messages, and they could even use their calls to deceive other birds. Ravens have an excellent memory and are capable of remembering past events and locations. They can even remember individual human faces, and they've been observed catching food and then returning to the same spot to retrieve it later. Ravens have a complex social structure and are capable of forming long-lasting bonds with other birds. They also display empathy and are able to console other birds that are distressed. Ravens are capable of using a variety of tools, including sticks, rocks, and even hooks made of wire. They can use tools to obtain food, build nests, and even play games. Thanks to ravens' remarkable abilities and show of intelligence, it's pretty deserving of the number 4 spot. Coming in at the number 3 spot is a highly intelligent and social animal with complex cognitive abilities, the elephant. Elephants are capable of solving a variety of complex problems, such as using sticks to scratch hard-to-reach places on their bodies or using branches to swat at flies. Sounds like a human. They're also able to use tools, such as using branches to sweep away obstacles when they're trying to access food. Elephants have an excellent long-term memory, and they're capable of remembering past events and recognizing individual elephants and humans that they've met before. They're also known to have a mental map of their surroundings and can remember the location of water sources as well as food. Elephants have a complex system of communication, including a variety of vocalizations and body language. They can use low-frequency rumbles to communicate over long distances, and they can distinguish between human languages. Elephants are highly social animals and are capable of forming close bonds with other elephants. They display empathy, and they're known to console other elephants when they're distressed. They also have a complex system of social hierarchies and are able to recognize the rank of other elephants in the group. Elephants have been shown to exhibit self-awareness, as demonstrated by their ability to recognize themselves in the mirror. They've also been observed engaging in play behavior such as splashing water and rolling around in the mud, which suggests that they have a sense of fun and enjoyment. Overall, elephants are highly intelligent and complex animals that display a range of cognitive abilities, including problem solving, memory, communication, social intelligence, and self-awareness, which I think is pretty deserving of the number 3 spot. Coming up in the number 2 spot is an animal known for their high intelligence, social complexity, and sophisticated communication skills, the dolphin. Dolphins are known for their complex vocalizations, which they use to communicate with each other. They're capable of producing a wide range of sounds, including whistles, clicks, and pulsed sounds, and they use these sounds to convey information about their location, identity, and emotional state. Dolphins are capable of solving a variety of complex problems, including puzzles that require the use of tools. For example, in one study, dolphins were able to learn to use sponges as a tool to protect their snouts while foraging for food in the sand. Dolphins have an excellent long-term memory, and they're able to recognize individual dolphins that they've met before. They're also capable of remembering complex tasks and locations of food sources. Dolphins are highly social animals and are able to form complex relationships with other dolphins. They display empathy, and they're known to help injured or distressed dolphins, and they're also capable of cooperation and coordination when working together to obtain food or defend against predators. Dolphins have been shown to exhibit self-awareness, as demonstrated by their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors just like the elephant. They're also capable of recognizing their own body parts and using them in creative ways. Overall, dolphins are highly intelligent and socially sophisticated animals that display a range of cognitive abilities, including communication, problem-solving, memory, social intelligence, and self-awareness, which is why these animals are in the number 2 spot. Coming in at the number 1 spot is an animal that is our closest living relatives, and they're known for their exceptional cognitive abilities, none other than the chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are known for their advanced tool use, including using sticks to extract termites from termite mounds, or using stones to crack open nuts. They're also able to modify tools to suit specific tasks. Chimpanzees have a complex system of communication, including vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. They're able to communicate with each other about food, danger, and social relationships. Chimpanzees are highly social animals and are able to form complex relationships with other chimpanzees. They display empathy and are able to comfort other chimpanzees when they are distressed. They're also capable of cooperation and coordination when working together to obtain food and defend against predators. Chimpanzees have been shown to exhibit self-awareness as demonstrated by their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors, just like the others, and they're also capable of recognizing their own body parts and using them in creative ways. Chimpanzees are able to solve a variety of complex problems, including puzzles that require the use of tools. They're able to plan ahead, and they can use trial and error to solve problems. Overall, chimpanzees are highly intelligent and socially sophisticated animals that display a range of cognitive abilities, including tool use, communication, social intelligence, self-awareness, and problem-solving, which is certainly worthy of the number 1 spot. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to like and subscribe.